Usually we express a positive feeling and we hold the negative feelings. Why Path of Love is so precious? Because it helps people to get in touch with their negative feelings or negative emotion. When we support people to go deeply into our sadness, people come in the process, they may have a feeling of depression or sadness. When we help them to feel this feeling, they get in touch with their depth. When we support people to express their resentment or anger, the people start to get in touch with their passion and creativity. Like an alchemical process where you carry something negative, and through the possibility to express this negative, the gold, the preciousness of what is behind the negativity start to emerge and feel. Then you have the possibility to feel that and sense that the negative emotion is not negative, it's just hold it something very precious inside.